This is former Senator Al Franken of Minnesota on Cuomo on CNN talking about Medicaid and Medicaid for all and Medicaid and its impact firsthand in a red state, in the hospital in that state. Listen to his story. It will, I think, change your mind, or should change your mind, regarding the idea of Medicaid for all.
It's incredibly popular. When they dropped their bill, there were 23 million Americans who lost their health care. Part of what they were going to do is defund. There was going to be no Medicaid expansion. Mm-hmm. I went to red counties in Minnesota. I went to rural hospitals. At those rural hospitals, I had these town meetings. People were crying. This is what Medicaid expansion did.
Yeah, it's life or death for them. Other than mostly paying for your mortgage or your rent, this is the biggest nut in most people's lives if you're healthy.
This is what Medicaid expansion did in rural America. These hospitals now had far less uncompensated care. Meaning when someone comes in the emergency room, they had no insurance at all, the hospital ate it.
That's right. Now
they have Medicaid.
That's right.
Now the hospitals have a lot more money.
That's right.
What could they do? They get more doctors.
Yes.
More technicians. More machines. More nurses.
It's in the research. It's in the data.
And they did that, and they became the largest employer in the county. They could do health care. You could get, your mom could get health care at home. Mm-hmm. I had a couple that was crying because they didn't know what they would do with her mom.
I hear you. Let me ask you something. One, this is not what your people are arguing right now, just so you know. This is not the way they're arguing it.
Well, we'll get a nominee, and that's the way they should be arguing it.
We'll see. We'll see. The question is, will Bernie change his positions if it's him? Can Joe Biden make the case if it's him? You make the case very well. Do you miss being in the Senate?
Yeah, of course I do. I mean, I could do stuff for people.
Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube, but play that last part back before we start talking about how Medicaid would work and the fact that it would create jobs, add more doctors, and improve care for the elderly and also for their caregivers like myself. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube and bookmark oaklandnewsnow.com.